So I'm still working on getting this 644 moving and working again. I found a couple problems with it. I have fixed, which would be the banana plate and assembly. So now the tractor is actually moving a little bit. But the purpose of the video is I want to show you this gnarly repair job that somebody did that I discovered while I was under the tractor. And I'm going to show you the new part number of the replacement part. So right there is the rear hydraulic drive motor. And if you look at the hydraulic lines coming off of it, that lower one, you see that repair right there? It looks like it's definitely was busted because it's not lined up. And then someone must have soldered on like a piece of round mild steel tubing of such. Well, I'm wondering if, maybe a lot of that solder went inside the tube and it's not flowing correctly. And I'm going to replace it and see how it goes. So here's the new tube, and the part number is right there. Now this is a 1973 case 644, and that's the part number right there. I don't know if you can see it or not. It is C18160. So I'm going to go ahead and install that and show you what that looks like. Alright, so I have the old hydraulic line off. I have the new one sitting by it just so you guys can compare the two. Looks like this was probably shrunk a little bit as well. I'm going to go ahead and finish putting on that new hydraulic line. Alright, so I just finished hooking up the new hydraulic line, and that's what it looks like. Much better than that repaired one. Alright, I'm going to keep installing parts on this case 644 till I get it working 100%. That part there was from Barneveld Implements out of Wisconsin. So if you're looking for parts, check them out. And thanks you guys for watching.